Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change shipping address in SHEIN after placing an order. Alright, let's begin. First, open any web browser on your computer and go to the official SHEIN website. After that, log into your SHEIN account using your registered email and password. Once you are logged in, move your cursor to the customer service icon on the top right corner and click on it. This will open the SHEIN Help Center on your screen. Now look for the live chat or contact support option and start a conversation with the customer support team. Clearly tell them that you want to change the shipping address for an order you have already placed. The support agent will check your order status and confirm whether the address can still be updated. If it is allowed, they will guide you step by step to enter a new shipping address and save the changes correctly. So that's basically how you can change shipping address in SHEIN after placing an order. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.